Welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are making a rich and flavorful mixed vegetable garden egg sauce. It's healthy, vibrant and deeply rooted in African tradition. So here we are the ingredients we are making use of. Firstly we have our chopped tomato, followed by our red pepper, bonnet pepper, green bonnet pepper. Here is our celery leaf, our garden egg, eggplant. This is actually eggplant. Here is onion, red bell pepper, carrots. You can see the way I chopped it. That's my celery, the stem. Then here is my baby punky. So other ingredients you are going to see them later, which is Maggi, salt and oil. So here is my pot. I'm pouring in my groundnut oil. It should not be too much, just average. So once that is done, you pour in your chopped onions. Make sure the oil is hot enough. You pour in your chopped onions. Give it a gentle stir. Allow it to cook well, but it should not burn. So here is perfect. It's okay now. So I'm pouring in my chopped tomato. After that, give it a gentle stir also. So allow it to cook for a while, then you put in your pepper, your fresh bell pepper. You can either fry it from the beginning after pouring in your onions. You pour in your pepper before the tomato. Either way that you prefer. So allow it cook for a while. The next thing you add in is you add in the celery stem. It's a little hard, so that's why I add it first, followed by your carrots. So you can see I'm giving it a gentle stir. So the next thing I'm going to add in now is my chopped carrots. So this is how you're going to cut it when you are ready to do it. Chop it like that. Give it a gentle stir. So after like a minute, you put in your diced red bell pepper, bonnet pepper, and the green one. So after that, you turn it. While I'm actually putting them stage by stage and step by step, is it depends on the hardness of your veggies. So that's how you put it in. You don't, so that it's not be like you're just pouring everything at a time. So here I am turning it properly. So now I'm adding in my eggplant. Followed by my baby punky. So after that, you turn it very well. Turn it very well. So once it cooks well, everything will go down. So it's looking much now. You'll be thinking the pot will not be enough, but once it cooks a little while, it goes down. So now I'm adding in my salt, crayfish and Maggi. Here is my Maggi, crayfish and salt. I'm going to add it in for my seasoning. So you pour it in and give it a gentle stir, and make sure you simmer and soften. So you simmer till soft and rich. This sauce, it pairs very well with rice, boiled yam, or even plantain, either ways. So you should serve it hot and enjoy it. So now I'm adding in my fried mackerel fish. It's very important to put fish and crayfish in this sauce. Now if you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and share with your friends and family. So make sure you turn it very well and allow to dry up. You can also test at this stage to see if the salt and Maggi is okay. So you can see it's prepared, it's tasty and really nice. So give it a try and drop your comment in the comment section. Thank you for viewing.